Welcome back to Homeschool, where the teacher is underpaid, the students don't listen, and somehow we're all the same person. Today we're diving into Abeka first grade, lesson 138. We will be needing our reading books as usual, My America, My World book for activity time, spelling and poetry, letters and sounds, language. Both are arithmetic books. There is a test in arithmetic this day. These words. We start our morning with our Bible and move right into seat work. All right, you already did that part. Set the minute hand. It's the 4 is already set, but this is 4:15. Where does 4:15 go? The minute hand.
3.
Good. And 12:05?
11:05.
11:05, yes.
Good. And 7:35. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 7. All right. Now mark the beak that it has the largest, or the correct one. 127 or 174. Good. 65 and 56. Good. And 49 and 109. Good.
So for each of these columns.
Okay, remember when it ends in Y, it turns to IER. So silly turns into sillier. Silly turns into silliest when it's the est or the So tiny turns into tiny.
Tinier.
And cozy turns into cozy.
Cozier. Coziest.
Coziest. And this one?
Breezier. Happy.
Good. Okay. We're learning these, right? Didn't goes to did not. Isn't, where does this one go to? And don't, couldn't, and hasn't. Where do they go to?
What does it say to do?
Draw a line from the contraction to the words it stands for. This is what we've been learning, right? Didn't is did not. Isn't
is do not.
No.
Wait.
For writing with phonics, begin by writing your first and last name. Then we're going to...
Isn't is not. Is not. It's going to start with the same beginning. Yes. Isn't, is not. They're the same words, but it's a contraction. So don't. Right. And couldn't. And hasn't. Right. So they'll is they will. Will.
Will. She will. No. We will.
We will. Be careful because you're going over here. We will. He'll. He will. You'll.
You will.
You will. She'll.
Wait, what's the last one?
She'll. That's why I tell you to be careful because you got confused right here. Right? So will is we will. But she'll is she will.
Then number 3 says to finish this sentence.
Okay, so it's circle the right word for each sentence. A frog hops to get to his lily pad. Read this one.
Can you hop on the foot?
On
Feet.
this one?
One foot.
Foot. Can you on one foot? Which one is it? Hop or hopped?
Can you hop on the foot?
No, it's 1 foot.
Or can you hop on the foot?
No, it is 1. You keep saying the. This is 1.
Can you hop on 1 foot?
Okay, so is it hop or hopped?
Hop.
Yeah, hop. Next one.
The bunnies have hopped across the yard.
The bunnies have hops across the yard, or the bunnies have hopped across the yard?
Hopped.
Yeah. This one?
Josh is hops or hopping? Up and down. Josh is hops up and down, or Josh is hopping up and down? Hopping. All right, good. Finish the sentence using these words. What's the spelling word?
Don't and where?
Were. Don't and were.
Were.
I blank know how to skip.
I don't know how to skip.
Okay, good. And then this one?
The boys blank hitting the ball. Were hitting the ball.
The boys were hitting the ball. Good.
Ding dong, ding dong. The doorbell is ringing. Brad called. I will get it. Beth said, and she went to
Okay, so what happens to the Y when it ends in a Y?
happy.
Happier. And then what will it be if it ends with this?
Happiest.
Happiest, right. So we're going to write it there, happier. The Y turns into I. Good. I-E-R.
I-E-R.
And when it's happiest, it also turns into a I-E-S with happiest. Okay, what's this word?
Warning.
Warning, yes. Warning. This one?
Reward.
Reward. My reward is a massage. What is this one?
Happy. Pretty. Clown.
Prepared for arithmetic, test 26.
6 plus 6 equals 9 minus 3
9 minus 3.
equals
12.
9 minus.
Wait, 9 minus 8, 6.
6 plus 5
6 plus 5. 11.
2 plus 8
8,
equals
9, 10.
11 minus 3 equals 4 plus 4 plus
Oh.
2 equals
4 plus 4 plus 2.
4, 8, 9, 10.
Now take your cover sheet and put your cover sheet above less than. Right? Greater than.
What time is it? Write the time there. Write
5:50.
the sums and the differences. With her allowance, Tanya bought 10 stickers and 3 pencils. How many more stickers did she buy than pencils? With her allowance, Tanya bought 10 stickers
10.
and 3 pencils. So she only bought 3 pencils, but she bought 10 stickers. How many more stickers did she buy than pencils?
10 minus 3.
All right, mark the circle under the flower that is fourth from the can. Mark the circle under the flower that is fourth from the can.
1, 2, 3,
Mark the circle under the flower that is fourth from the can. From the can.
What does that mean? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now mark the circle under the flower that is ninth from the can.
9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, go ahead and write the sums. And I just wanted to show the test key here just in case you wanted to see what the point deduction would be. And Isaiah did miss 2 today, so he ended with a 96 overall grade. Okay, let's get ready for our oral evaluation. Speak loudly. What is 11 minus 8?
4.
4 plus 7.
12. 11.
10 minus 7.
3.
2 plus 7.
9.
5 plus 5.
10.
11 minus 8.
4.
It's 3. You said 4 earlier, so you got that one wrong. 11 minus 8 equals 3.
Yes, hot. Hot. H-O-P-P-E. H-O-P-P-I-N.
We're almost done with this book. China. The Great Wall of China. This is one thing. Pandas that we might see in the United States came from China. Did not know that.